Stewie, would you like to make a volcano? Let's see.
Hi friends, Amahrie and Claire here today, and we're going to be showing you how to make a volcano. Hey Miss Brandy, what ingredients do we need?
All right, let's see, friends. We're gonna need some recycled bottles and cans, or your water bottles, something like this. We'll also need some vinegar, baking soda, red food coloring, and some dishwashing liquid, as well as a 1 cup measuring and a tablespoon measuring device and a teaspoon measuring device, as well as some sand and dirt, possibly some water, depending on how dry the dirt and sand are.
So we already have some sand here, and we're going to be adding some water to help it stick.
To help what stick?
The sand stick, so it can make the volcano shape.
Okay.
Then we'll be taking our recycled bottles and putting them in a little hole. You want your lid on top so no sand can get inside. So then we put some sand around it to help make the shape of the volcano. You don't want the sand to cover your lid, yeah. So you just make it just right under, exactly like that. Go.
Maybe add a little bit more water here, ladies.
Yep. Help it stick together.
Just like you're making a sand castle.
And this is a pretty big volcano. This one's a fat one because it has a big container. Next, you can also take some twigs, rocks, pebbles, and some grass to help make your volcano come to life. So we can add some twigs here, some rocks here, some big rocks, some grass around it, some more grass, another twig, just like that.
Very nice.
Now you're going to take your lid off and add in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Funnel. Thank you, Miss Brandy. You can use a funnel too to help make sure the baking soda gets in to the bottle. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can use your twig to help make sure the baking soda gets through. You need the funnel.
Doesn't have to be perfect, Claire.
There you go.
You can put it in there. Don't need the funnel. Your container is very big.
Okay, ready to count again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, St. P friends. Now you can take some red food coloring and have your dishwasher soap and vinegar mixed together.
1 teaspoon of soap, 1 cup of vinegar. Mix that together, pre-mixed already.
Yep. Then you can add 3 drops of your food coloring. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I added 4 there by accident. There you go, Claire. Thank you. And then you can use this. Stir it up. Ooh, that's a fiery lava color. Now you're gonna count again. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Go. And then, last, you're going to see your volcano foam up.
So who's gonna go first?
I am.
And should we pour it in really fast or can we pour it in slowly?
Slowly.
All right, let's check it out, friends.
Whoa, look at that.
Check out that volcano. Can we add more food coloring if we want to?
Yep.
Absolutely.
To make it more look like a fiery color. My turn. The vinegar makes the baking soda bubble up. Whoa, look at that, friends. Whoa. It looks like ice cream a little. This makes me hungry for ice cream. Whoa, there's a pop right there. One there. Pop, pop.
Keep on pouring. Yeah, look at that.
Look at all that lava coming down.
What letter does volcano start with?
Volcano! Starts with the letter V. Make a V with your fingers. All right, we'll see you later, friends. Thank you for hanging out with us. And remember to have fun with this project. We'll see you next time. Whoa.